Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you an error 3-1 on the digital display, or if you don't have a digital display, it will be blinking 3 blinks, then a 2-second pause, and then a 1 blink. And that's kind of the blinking equivalent of the 3-1 error. And so what's happening if you're getting this error code is that either the thermistor or the optical water indicator are not working or not communicating properly. With the control board. So you can try to do a hard restart on the dishwasher, which would be to turn it off, disconnect it from power, leave it disconnected for a full 5 minutes, and then restore power. And then try to run a cycle and see if that gets rid of the error. If it doesn't get rid of the error, then you're probably going to have a technician, because it might be the wiring either between the control board and the optical water indicator, or between the thermistor and the control board, something like that. One of those two, both of those things, something could be burned out, and you're going to need to have a professional take a look at it and maybe try different things in order to get it fixed. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.